Hey guys, I'm Minhas. Today we are gonna unbox a photography equipment, and that is Shanny SN600C-RT Speedlite. And this model is only for Canon DSLR. So this is a high range Speedlite for your DSLR from Shanny. So let's go for unboxing. Alright, this is pretty nice box, and this model includes high-speed sync and guide number, radio transmission, optical trigger, wireless sleep, and flash, exposure, compensation, second curtain sync, first curtain sync, automatic flash mode, autofocus assist light, auto exposure lock, auto zooming, overheat warming, high speed recycle, PC sync, beef, CFN setting, and external charging. Okay, that's pretty good. Before you buy Shanny SN600C-RT Speedlite, you'll be glad to know that Shanny SN600C-RT is a powerful radio slave and hot show flash for Canon Neo RT flash systems, and this Speedlite gives you a full feature set including ETTL and high speed sync up to 1/8000 seconds, and a wide zoom range of 20 to 200 millimeters, and many more. And the big and clear LCD makes it easy to use. Here you get a user manual to get a couple of tips for how to use the flash. And this is the flash with Shanny case. This model is very similar in size and design to the Canon 600 EXRT, and this is the little light that you can set on your flash. Alright, this is the flash. Seems very similar to the Canon 600 EXRT. Here, this is the PC sync, but not the standard PC sync. And this is the app assist light. And this is the hot show for Canon model. The unique lock pin, the flash feels very good and a premium. The hands, the close-up angle and the normal angle. I see that it turns 180 degrees to the left and 180 degrees to the right. silica gel, and here is a USB port that you can use it for upgrading your firmware or external power supply. So let's pour some batteries. So let's turn on the Speedlite. It's pretty nice, and the big display. Here is the mode options. And this is the manual mode, and this is the for multi mode, and this is for ETTL mode. And you can set the zoom range. The zoom range is 22. This is for auto mode, and next is 22. $200mm. That's very amazing. And this is the exposure settings for a flashlight. The Speedlite settings. You can lock your settings with this key. Then this settings is locked, and you can't change your settings after when the lock mode is on. So there is a bench cut, and you can check your flash with this button. So let's find some parameters. ETTL mode. This is for wireless. And the zoom range is now auto mode. So this is the little leg that you can use to set on your flash. So this is the unboxing review of Shanny SN600C-RT Speedlite. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in comments. Thanks for watching. See you later.